Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox accessories mobile. We'll start by understanding the core requirements for mobile compatibility, focusing on how to prepare your creations for a wide audience. This guide will help you navigate the essential steps, from initial design considerations to final testing, ensuring your accessories look great and perform smoothly on various mobile devices. Get ready to optimize your creations for the best user experience. Optimizing your accessory begins with smart design. Aim for a low polygon count, ideally under 5,000 triangles, to ensure smooth performance on mobile devices. Efficient texture atlases, with resolutions like 512 by 512 pixels, are also key. Simplifying complex geometries and reducing material count will significantly decrease rendering overhead, making your accessory load faster and run more efficiently for all mobile players. Proper rigging and constraints are vital for mobile accessories. Ensure your bone weighting is precise for smooth deformation, preventing visual glitches on smaller screens. Limiting the number of bones in your rig, perhaps to a maximum of 20, can greatly improve performance. Setting appropriate attachment points guarantees consistent placement and scaling across different mobile devices, providing a polished and professional look for your creations. Before publishing, thorough testing is crucial. Test your accessory on a variety of mobile devices, including both phones and tablets, to identify any performance issues like lag or visual glitches. Pay close attention to how it scales and interacts with different avatars. Once you're confident in its performance and appearance, you can publish your optimized accessory to the Roblox marketplace, making it available to millions of mobile users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.